one is today and tomorrow, and it starts right now, and it's an estate sale with antiques at it.
Hey, hey, hey. Sounds good.
Yes.
I think it's going to be on my side based on how the thing was trying to route me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, just park. Yeah, right here is good.
You're going to be right in a tree.
That's okay. Wouldn't be the first time.
Okay, let's check it out.
You sure that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Made it out of the tree.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah. Did you go to that
How's
other?
it going?
That other one I think is enough.
Good, good.
Yeah. Not quite our style though. No. Not right there.
How's it going? Yeah. Another weekend out picking.
Settle down.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, I saw that. It's kind of interesting.
Looks older. Oh, is that a Valley Village
And
sticker?
painted. No winners.
Oh, winners.
Yeah.
So it's actually not old.
Just need to look that way. Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh,
jewelry.
found the jewels.
Yeah. So sparkly.
I love it. I got a disease.
That's cool, Matt.
Yeah.
It's a camera.
Is that a camera?
Yeah, I think so. It's a camera, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Neat.
It was congested, but it wasn't pretty good pictures. They don't park on both sides.
And the battery came right with the film.
Okay. Oh, with the film. Interesting.
A snuggie. Here we go.
Don't say that too loud. My daughter-in-law gave that to me for Christmas.
Never been out of the
Oops. Oopsies. It's the thought that counts. Look at that.
Yeah,
It's a neat looking thing too.
it is.
It's kind of.
Oh, there's a chip on his nose.
Oh,
Oh, no, there's not.
Oh.
That's just paint.
I don't really care for how it's painted.
Okay. I thought maybe for your mother.
Well, yeah. I know.
Have fun, you guys.
Hope you find some more treasures. You too. Thank you.
See ya.
Yeah, I just don't know that she would
Okay.
like it.
No,
because it's kind of.
it's not painted very well.
Yeah, I don't want to say
You
too
could
loud.
paint it.
I don't want to say it too loud because one of these people may have painted it.
That's true.
That's 70s plastic.
Yeah,
or
chips and dip.
60s even. Yeah,
Yeah.
this comes out obviously for.
It's all plastic, he said?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you know what you're asking for those?
$3.
Sounds good. Oh, sounds good.
I should charge you more than that because that's an antique. It's a wedding gift.
Was it? It looks like it was well used.
Been married, be 65 years.
Wow, good for you. And you still like them.
Well, there's days.
I hear ya. Thank you.
A little bit of problems with his memory now, so.
Oh, that's tough. Yeah. Thank you. Just gonna have a.
My mom had that problem with a couple of her husbands too. They forgot that they were married to her.
Oh.
I'm not sure how to take that one.
Out on dates with other girls.
Yeah.
You know? Oops. Oh, I forgot.
Yeah. That's not very nice.
Cute way of putting it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay. They're both past now. I can make fun of them.
Yeah, eventually.
My father and my stepfather. Oh,
Oh, it's got
found some milk glass and some stoneware.
Yeah. Let's see here. Not that I need. I better not, because I think I'm. But,
Talk yourself out of it.
yeah. Can you hold those so I can? I'm just gonna look in here. What's in here? Oh, vintage tablecloth. Is that pretty? I wonder how much they are. Another one. Oh, this has like a napkin and maybe placemat or something.
yeah.
I'm not sure. This one pillowcase is nice. Feel it?
Oh yeah, that is nice.
I like that
nice
one.
and soft cotton.
Yeah, it's cotton for sure. As opposed to this. It's just such a difference.
Yeah, it's so thin. There's nothing there.
I know.
I thought you liked that little set on top there.
No, I don't need it. Okay.
Oh, found a couple more things, hey?
Yeah, I think so. I found a couple of tablecloths and a pillowcase.
$5.
Okay.
What a good husband, just to carry things around.
He's useful.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
You knew he was good for something.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we'll be married for 65 years too.
Thanks.
You too.
Stay warm.
Yeah,
Lots of coffee, hey?
Yeah.
no doubt. What's this stuff? Oh, curlers. Look at this. Is the old style. You roll your hair and poke that through the curler to
Oh,
keep your
okay.
hair from unrolling.
Right, I remember that when I was a kid.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Where are we? Oh, yeah, over here.
I think we're over there. Thanks.
Thank you.
You too.
You too.
I'm useful.
Yes.
Barely.
He's when we're in public, anyway.
I like to go out
Portray
and
the image?
yeah, I like to cosplay as a useful husband.
Yeah. That's nice.
Okay. Let's keep going.
Yeah. Try to get close to the tree
I was
and
gonna say you like to cosplay as a monkey in a tree
yeah.
because you're basically in a tree.
Oh,
Oh, there's part of it right there.
I don't want the. Hey,
Trying to hitch a ride.
there you go.
Leave us alone.
Wah, wah.
Full of dad jokes.
Full of something.
living in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different.